Greetings, container gardening grow family. In this evening's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at our now 30-day-old Charleston sweet potato plant that we're currently growing in a 3-gallon container. Take a look at this. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Our now 30-day-old Charleston sweet potato that we're currently growing in this 3-gallon container. For those of you who are not familiar with the Charleston variety of sweet potato, the Charleston variety of sweet potato is a brown-skinned sweet potato that has purple flesh. And this is our very first time growing this variety of sweet potato here at the More You Grow Container Gardening. And we're pleased to be bringing you guys along with us for the journey. Now this is about a 90-day variety of sweet potato, well 90 to 110-day variety of sweet potato, but we're going to allow this sweet potato plant here to grow as long as it possibly does here until the weather begins to cool off here in Tifton, Georgia, grow zone 8B. And at that point, we'll take this 3-gallon container and move it into our high tunnel greenhouse for the fall and winter months, and we'll allow it to continue to grow in there as long as it does until the vines actually begin to die off. And we, at that point, sometime during the fall or winter months, we'll actually harvest these sweet potatoes, and we'll bring you guys along for the harvest at that point. Until then, we'll bring you guys back in another 30 days for our next look at our now 30-day-old Charleston sweet potato plant that we're currently growing in this 3-gallon container right here at the More You Grow Container Garden, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and also share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.